Hi there, I hope that you are doing fine. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download grade 10 admission letters. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to load your browser and search for grade 10 admission letter. And then I want you to load this link, placement.education.go.ke. So I'll click on that. Then it will load you this website. And here you can now be able to check for your placements or download the letter. So go ahead and click on My Placements. And then this website will load Grade 10 Placement Outcomes 2026. So you need to enter the assessment number and the junior school KNEC code. So we'll start with the assessment number, and I'm going to put that number pretty quick, just like that. And then here we will enter the junior school KNEC code, which is just like that. Once you do that, you'll come to data privacy declaration. So you will allow that this website should use your details to search. Then I want you to scroll down and click on check results. So when you click on that, it is going to show you the name of the student, the pathway, okay, and then the assessment number and the senior school that she has been placed in, okay. So we need to download our, admission letter. So we'll go back and click on download letter, just like that. And here we need to enter the assessment number, and we'll do that pretty quick, just like that. And then we'll enter the KNEC code, which is just like that. And then you'll click on get admission letter. So once you click on that, it is going to load hello, and then it will write the name of the learner, and then it will tell you that your admission letter is ready. All you need to do is to click on download letter. So we'll click here, and then it's going to load and download your letter over here, and you can happily open it, and that is it. And then you can be able to print it. So that is how you can quickly, download the admission letter for grade 10 learners. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be forwarded to more people who are searching for this video. Otherwise, if you love our general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, click on the right side of your screen to watch our next video, and I'm pretty sure that I'll see you in that video. Peace.